KW Tuscaloosa, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor, and we have a very special class coming your way. And this is going to be on March 19th, and this is going to provide you 6 hours of CE credit for the state of Alabama. And what we're going to do in this hands-on workshop in the morning is generate more leads for free. The record for this class in the morning, 63 listings in 1 hour for one agent. So let's come break some records. Now in the afternoon, we're going to take our in-house lunch break from 12 to 12:30. We'll start back at 12:30, and we're going to go all in on AI on a lot of different platforms: Canva Pro, Box Brownie, and of course ChatGPT. We're going to show you how this is going to affect your business, but also how AI in general, and specifically ChatGPT, is affecting generations for years to come. AI is here to stay for good or for the worst, kind of depending how you want to look at it. But this is going to be a great conversation, a great interactive day, and the best part about it, KW Tuscaloosa, this is free for you. This is a special benefit from the Market Center. The only cost is optional, and that's if you want to get a recording of the full day. That's only $10. So register here to save your spot, and I will see you guys on Tuesday, March 19th.